In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new listing or sell similar from a current listing in your List Perfectly catalog. If you're an eBay seller, you're probably already familiar with how to create a listing off of another listing. It's the same general concept in List Perfectly. So we'll use this cute Fiesta hippopotamus as an example. If I had this listed and I got a second one and I want to create another listing just like her, I can go into my catalog. Over here where you see the three buttons with the pencil, the notebook paper, and the duplicate button, it's the third one down here. Click on that, duplicate. It's going to create a brand new listing for me with all of the same information as my original Fiesta hippopotamus listing. I can change anything I want to change, update, edit, and then save and exit to catalog. And you'll see my new listing right there. She's already listed in the listing party for me because I used the duplicate button in my catalog. We're going to get into more about listing party in another tutorial. But if I look up my Fiesta hippopotamus, specifically, I'll see that I have two now. I have two of these hippos. So I'm going to delete one because I only really need the one hippo. Let's do one more just so you can see it in action one more time. Choose any listing in your List Perfectly catalog. Over here on the three buttons in this column, the one on the bottom, the third one, when you hover over it, it says duplicate. Click that. You are now creating an entirely new listing with all of the same information. And that is how you sell similar or create a duplicate listing from your existing listings in List Perfectly.